Hello guys, today in this tutorial I will basically show you a Python script that I developed, which is actually will scrape all the data which is present inside your Google map. It will list out the nearby places, hospitals, hotels, restaurants, parking lots, all these information. You need to provide the address. Based upon the address, it will give you the CSV file and Excel file, and it will basically contain all the information from Google. It will actually scrape this information. Let me show you a very basic example. So inside this Python script, you will basically see, guys, here we are actually writing the queries here. We are basically saying here hotels in Lucknow, which is basically a state in India, and hotels in, let's suppose, Delhi. Hospitals in Delhi. So it will basically give the information, the number of hotels which are present in Lucknow and hospitals which are present in Delhi. And here basically we are actually calling the Python script that I developed. You will see it's a complete application, and we are simply calling this Python script. There is a method called as places. It will scrape the information about all the places from Google search engine. And here we are passing our queries. You can pass multiple queries, and maximum value we are basically saying that we need to scrape only the top 50 results. So now if I run this script, guys, so what will happen? It will actually use Selenium in the background. This is python main.py. You should have Python installed in your system, guys. You will basically see it will create the CSV file. This is places of hotels in Lucknow.csv and JSON file. The CSV file can be converted to Excel as well, and you will basically get the data. So it is just doing the processing in the background using Selenium, and you will basically get this in the output folder. You will see hotels in Lucknow, and it has created a file called as, if I see, two folders have been created. First is hotels in Lucknow and hospitals in Delhi. You will see for each one we have a CSV, and we also get a JSON file as well. You will see that. So you can use this script, guys, with any backend API if you are developing an application. So you will basically see inside the CSV file we have various information: the place ID, name of the place, link, which is the Google direct map link, main category, categories, rating, reviews, address. All this information will be scraped, guys. And now let me show you. These are different kinds of hospitals which are present in Delhi. You will see that, and you will see that. So if I copy any of the link here, that you will also see the full address where this hospital is located. So you can print out this information in the browser, guys. You can make this info automatic, take the user input and call this Python script as well. So let me copy this link here and show to you. This is the actual link here of the direct Google map. If you just paste this here in the browser, automatically it will redirect you to the actual place link. Let me copy this link here, which is giving you in the browser. So if you just paste this link, guys, so what will happen? It will directly open in the Google map. So this is actual place that it has scraped, guys. You will see that. So you can basically print this information in the browser, and the user will navigate to this page once they click this link, hyperlink, which will navigate to this page. Every place has this link associated with this, where the user can, this is the title of the place, this is the number of hospitals. 50 hospitals have been scraped. And similarly, if I open the second folder, this is in JSON response. So if you want to provide if we're developing an API, then it will be a very good thing, guys. You have this JSON file, you just need to return this to the client. The client can be either Angular, React.js, JavaScript, plain JavaScript, vanilla JavaScript, Vue.js, all the front-end frameworks you can use. And there are quite a lot of websites that are doing this thing of scraping thing. And now this is hotels in, which is located in the Lucknow state. You will see that all these hotels are returned to it. You will see about 50 hotels. And same, basically you can also sort this. We have also the ratings as well about the hotels, rating, reviews are also there. This is the, if you see the full address, all this thing, reviews, number of reviews 11,000, 9,000. You can basically sort this, guys, based upon that. This Python script scrapes all the information, and you can provide multiple queries right here. You will see in the square brackets you provide multiple queries. So I've given you the link is given guys in the description. If you want the full source code, you can purchase it from paypal.com in United States dollar, or you can go to Stripe and purchase this full script in Indian rupees in Stripe. Both the payment links are given in the description of the video. After you purchase it, you will actually get a zip file. You can download that from Google Drive after the payment, and this you can extract that Google Drive. You should have Python installed guys. This script is compatible with the latest version of Python. At the recording of this video, I think it is Python 3, and it is compatible. You just need to install this and just run this command, which is pip install -r requirements .txt. So it will basically install all the modules which are present inside your this file, which is called as requirements.txt. It will basically install all these modules, and then you just need to run this file, main file, python main.py, and just edit this file main.py. Just write the queries whichever address. Let me change this to, let's suppose, hotels in Wellington, and then I will simply write a micro address. You can even write micro addresses as well guys. Let's suppose I write a very hotels in Patel Nagar, Delhi. So this is basically a district in Delhi, which is Patel Nagar, and basically here we are pinpointing the location, and now it will give me niche results. So if I don't provide this max parameter guys 50, then it will scrape the whole page of Google results. I think it contains almost 110 results. So if you run this now, it will basically scrape all the results, and now about, I think it is 120 results it will scrape. So if you don't provide any max parameter, then you can basically, it is completely unlimited guys. You don't need to include any API key. It is completely free and unlimited. You can run this unlimited number of time. You can easily deploy this into a live server as well. If you're developing a very good application where you provide nearby places finder for the people to actually find places based upon the address that they give in Google Map, you can actually automate this process by finding out the locations, hospitals, hotels, food, restaurants, any place that you can find guys. It's a complete script that I am giving you. The link is given, and it will take some time guys because we are scraping the full page of Google, and after that it will basically in the output folder, whatever it is, you can see it will simply create a folder. So basically it is using Selenium. Selenium is a web scraping library in Python which allows you to scrape any website. In this case we are using we are scraping the Google Maps. So you will see it is scraped, it has created this file, and you will basically see it has scraped all these things right here, and you will basically see these are Wellington, which is present in New Zealand. So you can try out any location in the world guys basically, and it will give you the results. So it's a very good script, and I think you should enjoy that script because so I think if you provide the max parameter, then it will take less time. Let's suppose you only want to scrape only 50 results at a time, then it will work faster. So I will recommend that you provide the max parameter. This will reduce the time that it will take. So you will basically now see it will give you all the hospitals which are present in that specific area, which is Patel Nagar, which is present in Delhi, and it is give you the CSV file, and these are all the hospitals which are present. So you can even give you a very niche specific address as well. So if you don't want to provide only Delhi, if you have a full address, you can also put that address as well. It is compatible, so it will give you the full list of hospitals. You can even cross verify. Let's suppose I want to copy this hospital link, and just to check if it is present inside that same area, you will see it is West Patel Nagar. You will see basically all this is located in that area. You can see, you can find out the full address. So the address is also returned to you. Basically, you will see these are all located in that area. So, and basically guys, let me show you what how I developed and what it will give you. So the category, basically what will be the category. So these are the number of places that we are returning, guys, starting from Aadhaar center, which is you can see all these are places types: accounting firm, accounting school. You can provide all these as a, see, these are all the list which are there. You can see that from these categories you can provide any category that you want to do. This almost includes all the places types. It can be either restaurants, hotels, schools, auditorium, auto broker, auto market. You will see aviation, baby store. You will see that. So every place type you can imagine in your mind, it is present inside this file. So it's a fully fleshed script, guys. The link is given. After you purchase it, you can download this from Google Drive and you can simply use it to develop very awesome applications which allow you to basically give nearby find places finder application related to Google Maps. It is simply scraping the live data from Google Maps. So you are all the way updated every time. You will see blood bank, boat club, boat dealer. So what you can do, guys, basically, if you're developing a web application, you can have a select list where you can put all these places types and you can receive input from the user. You just need to allow the user to input the address and you will have this inside the select list. Let's suppose the user write only the address. Let's suppose uh, the user write Delhi. So you can concatenate whatever the select list. Let's suppose the user selects blind shop. So you will concatenate list of blind shop in Delhi. So then this Python script will run and return the result for you. You can see that as I scroll down, all these these are places types. Starting from A, it's there in alphabetical order, and you can see how many places types are there. So you can see that. So it is completely scraped from the Google Maps API. In the Google Maps API supported categories, it is basically scraping all that categories, and you can just find your category. If I search for school, various types of schools are also there. You will see that art school, ballet school. You will see barber school. You will see lot of schools types are there: business school, Catholic school, CBSE, charter school. Let's suppose I type here hotel. Hotel, you can see hostel, host club, hospital department, hospital. You can see all these types are present, and so insurance company. So if I just copy this and let's suppose I delete this and just type insurance company in India. Just type here, and now it will give you all the insurance company which are present inside Delhi. It will, oh sorry, India, and it will give you a CSV file and a JSON file. So you can basically copy this. If you don't have are getting some idea, you can go to category and copy the category: jazz club, jeans shop, jeans dealer. You will see that jewelry store, jewelry manufacturer, exporter, juice shop. You can even specific types are there, guys. So if you want the juice shops which are available in a particular area, it will also return that also. So if you want to drink some juice, then you can even run this Python script and it will give you the places which shops are present, and it will give you. Sorry, I can, what I can do is that I can provide here max here, maximum limits. Let's suppose I only want the top 10 results. This will reduce the time. So I will simply run this once again. python main.py, it will only return the top 10 results. So if you only want the top 10 results, this will return quite faster because we have put a limit, maximum limit. So you can see now it is completed. You can now check the output folder and it will give you this, a folder has been created, insurance company in India, and you will basically see these are the offices which are located, and this is a name, the New India Insurance, Best India Insurance Company, National Insurance Cooperative Limited, New India Assurance, and let's suppose I change this to juice shop in, let's suppose in say Tilak Nagar juice shop. This is the area in Delhi. So I'm just specifically asking here. If you just type, just go to your category, you will find out there is a juice shop. You just need to make sure that you write the same here, whatever is present inside this category file. Just copy this and just paste it wherever you are doing it. So it will recognize, that's all. So now it will give you the top 10 juice shops which are present in that area, specific area. The Selenium script will run Python script. It will scrape the Google Map data and it will save that data in the CSV and JSON file. Now you can check your data and juice shop. Just open it. You can see that. Sava juice shake, Arya fruit juice corner. So if you check the address, guys, it is all located in Tilak Nagar area. You can see that. You can see Tagore Garden, Tilak Nagar. You will see. So it's a very powerful script, guys. There are very few websites which are available to actually manage or micro search the data which is available in Google Map. As you know, guys, many people are searching for everything in whichever places they are in. Sometimes they are in a very awkward situation. They want to search for places. So this script will automatically very much help you for developing applications related to Google Map. And there is a website called as Justdial.com, which is also a specific website which allows you to find out places based upon find businesses near you for a local search engine. So these websites also use or basically scrape the Google Maps to actually get these. So if you just type here top, let's suppose top 10 juice shops. So if you write this query right here, so basically this Python script is doing the same thing. Justdial has this, you will see it is also displaying this data right here. It is having this name, it is displaying this ratings, number of ratings, and it is displaying this information which is phone number, direct phone number. So basically we are using this in a Python script. We are also having this same data and we are returning it in a CSV file. So this totally depends upon you how you want to display this data whenever you are developing that application. If in any front end you can take, any full stack, non stack, any application type you can take. So these applications use these web scraping scripts to actually scrape the data and display the data. And you can build your own Justdial clone as well using this Python script. So the link is given, guys, in the description of the video. If you are interested, you can purchase the full source code of the script, and after that you will get this full script, and you can see it is all written in Python, and these are the actual code is located in the source folder, and the output will be coming in the output folder. And we are already having the latest version of the Chrome driver. This is actually the Selenium driver of the Chrome browser. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video, and please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.